Shadowing English Practice, Daily English Conversations, Intermediate English Speaking, Part 1. Hello and welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. Today's lesson is all about real daily conversations. You won't just listen today. You'll listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake helps you improve. Every sentence makes your English stronger. So relax, speak clearly, and enjoy the practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. Please have a seat. Thank you very much. You're most welcome. Is today your first day here? Yes, it is. I'm feeling a little nervous. That's completely normal. Everyone feels nervous on their first day. Really? Yes, I felt exactly the same. I didn't know anyone when I started. How long have you worked here? I've worked here for almost 3 years. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I enjoy it very much. The people are friendly and supportive. That's wonderful to hear. I was a little worried before coming here. Why were you worried? Starting a new job is never easy. Everything feels new at first. The office is different. The people are different. Even the work feels different. That's absolutely true. But you'll learn everything quickly. I really hope so. I'm sure you will. Just ask questions whenever you need help. Everyone is happy to help. Thank you. That makes me feel much better. You're very welcome. Where are you from? I'm from Manchester. What about you? I'm from Bristol. Have you always lived there? No, I moved there last year. Do you enjoy living there? Yes, I really do. It's a beautiful and peaceful city. I've never visited Bristol. You should visit one day. It's especially beautiful in spring. I'd love to visit. Maybe I'll go next year. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Now, let's practice together. Listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. Good morning. Is this seat free? Please have a seat. I'm feeling a little nervous. Everyone feels nervous on their first day. I've worked here for almost 3 years. The people are friendly and supportive. Starting a new job is never easy. Everyone is happy to help. That makes me feel much better. I'm from Manchester. It's a beautiful and peaceful city. You should visit one day. Excellent work. Keep speaking with confidence.
You're doing a fantastic job. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Every lesson brings you closer to speaking English naturally. Today's conversation takes place in a small cafe. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. Listen carefully, then repeat every sentence after me. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Can I sit here? Yes, of course. This seat is free. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have you been waiting long? Only for a few minutes. I'm meeting a friend. What about you? I'm just enjoying a quiet afternoon. This cafe has a lovely atmosphere. Yes, it really does. The coffee is excellent too. Is this your favorite cafe? Yes, I come here almost every weekend. How long have you been coming here? For nearly 2 years. The staff are always friendly. That's one reason I keep coming back. It's my first visit. Really? How did you find this place? My colleague recommended it. She said the coffee was amazing. She was absolutely right. I'm glad you like it. What would you recommend? You should try the cappuccino. It's one of the best in town. That sounds great. I'll order one. Excuse me, could I have a large cappuccino, please? Certainly. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, please. I'd like a chicken sandwich as well. No problem. Would you like to eat here or take it away? I'll eat here. Your order will be ready in a few minutes. Thank you. While we're waiting, may I ask you something? Of course. What do you do for work? I work as a graphic designer. How about you? I'm an English teacher. That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I enjoy helping people learn. Every day is different. That's wonderful. I've always wanted to improve my English. The best way is to practice every day. Even 15 minutes can make a big difference. I completely agree. Consistency is more important than perfection. Exactly. Small daily practice creates big results. Now let's practice together. Repeat every sentence after me. Can I sit here? This seat is free. Have you been waiting long? I'm meeting a friend. This cafe has a lovely atmosphere. The coffee is excellent. It's my first visit. My colleague recommended it. Could I have a large cappuccino, please? I'd like a chicken sandwich as well. I'll eat here. Your order will be ready soon. What do you do for work? I work as a graphic designer. I'm an English teacher. I enjoy helping people learn. The best way is to practice every day. Consistency is more important than perfection. Excellent work. Now let's learn some useful expressions. Have you been waiting long? People often ask this when they arrive late. Repeat. Have you been waiting long? Very good. My colleague recommended it. Use this sentence when someone tells you about a good place. Repeat. My colleague recommended it. Excellent. Consistency is more important than perfection. This is an important sentence for every English learner. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to keep practicing. Repeat. Consistency is more important than perfection. Fantastic. Now answer these questions aloud. What's your favorite cafe? How often do you drink coffee? Who would you like to have coffee with? What do you usually order? Do you prefer a quiet cafe or a busy one? Why? Take your time. Speak naturally. Don't translate. Think in English. If you forget a word, keep talking. Use simple sentences. Confidence grows every time you speak. You've done an excellent job today.
You've done an amazing job. You've listened carefully, you've repeated every sentence, and you've continued practicing. That shows real dedication. Now it's time for our final conversation. Listen carefully, repeat every sentence, and speak with confidence. Let's begin. Good evening. Good evening. How was your day? It was quite busy. What about yours? Mine was busy too, but I'm happy it's over. Did everything go well? Yes, it did. I finished all my work. That's great to hear. What are your plans for this evening? I'm going to relax at home. I might watch a film. That sounds nice. I think I'll read a book. Reading always helps me relax. I couldn't agree more. Do you usually have busy days? Most weekdays are quite busy. But I always make time to practice English. That's a great habit. How long do you practice every day? Usually about 20 minutes. That's enough to make progress. Exactly. Small steps lead to big results. I completely agree. Learning English takes time, but it's worth every minute. Absolutely. The important thing is to never give up. That's true. Every conversation teaches us something new. Every mistake helps us improve. And every day brings new opportunities. I feel much more confident now. I'm really glad to hear that.
Keep believing in yourself. Thank you for your encouragement. You're very welcome. Now let's practice together. Repeat every sentence after me. How was your day? It was quite busy. I'm happy it's over. I finished all my work. I'm going to relax at home. I might watch a film. Reading helps me relax. I always make time to practice English. Small steps lead to big results. Learning English takes time. It's worth every minute. Never give up. Every conversation teaches us something new. Every mistake helps us improve. I feel much more confident now. Excellent. Now let's review today's useful expressions. It was quite busy. Use this when you've had a busy day. Repeat. It was quite busy. Very good. I'm going to relax at home. Use this when talking about your plans. Repeat. I'm going to relax at home. Excellent. Small steps lead to big results. Remember this sentence every day. Success comes from regular practice. Repeat. Small steps lead to big results. Fantastic. Never give up. This is one of the most important expressions for every English learner. Repeat. Never give up. Perfect. Now answer these questions aloud. How was your day? What are your plans for tonight? How often do you practice English? What helps you relax? What's your biggest English goal? Speak confidently. Speak naturally. Don't worry about mistakes. Keep your sentences simple. The more you speak, the easier English becomes. Congratulations! You've completed today's shadowing English practice. You should be proud of yourself. Every lesson makes you stronger. Every conversation builds your confidence. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep speaking. Most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Thank you for learning with me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, come back tomorrow for another shadowing English practice. Until next time, take care, keep smiling, and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.